Ever wondered how close we are to cars driving themselves? Or why certain cars feel so much safer on the road? The answer lies in something called ADAS. And in this video, we're diving into what it is, how it works, and why it's revolutionizing the way we drive. If you've been hearing a lot about autonomous vehicles and driver assistance, but aren't sure what it all means, this video is for you. Stick around because you're about to learn what separates today's smart cars from the rest. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest automotive insights. Ready to drive into the future? Let's go. So, what exactly is ADAS? ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, and it's the technology designed to help drivers stay safe on the road. Whether it's keeping you in your lane, warning you about potential collisions, or even applying the brakes for you, ADAS is like having a co-pilot who's always alert. Think of ADAS as that overly cautious friend who always reminds you to check your blind spot. Except this friend never gets tired and has eyes all around the car. Did you know that cars equipped with ADAS features are statistically much less likely to be involved in accidents? In fact, studies show that ADAS-equipped vehicles have a 27% lower chance of rear-end collisions. But not all ADAS systems are created equal. Let's talk about the different levels and what they mean for your driving experience. At level 0, we have no automation. It's just you and your trusty vehicle, relying solely on your driving skills. Remember, even cruise control doesn't count here. It's all manual. Moving up to level 1, the car can assist you with either steering or accelerating and braking, but not both at the same time. Think of features like adaptive cruise control, where the car adjusts speed but still needs you to steer. Now, things get interesting at level 2. Here, the car can control both steering and speed in certain conditions, but you, as the driver, must remain engaged and ready to take control at any moment. This is where most modern ADAS features come into play. Level 3 is where the car can handle most driving tasks, but it still requires human intervention when the system asks for it. This level is like having an advanced autopilot that you still need to monitor closely. At level 4, the car can handle all driving tasks in specific conditions, like on highways, without any human intervention. However, it still needs a driver in the seat in case something goes wrong. Finally, level 5 is what we all dream about. Full automation, with no need for a steering wheel or pedals. The car can handle everything, and you can just sit back and relax. Part 3. What is the bare minimum for safety? Now you might be wondering, what's the bare minimum ADAS level that you should consider safe? The general consensus among experts is that level 2 is the minimum for significantly enhancing safety. This includes features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Here's something to consider. Most modern vehicles, especially in the luxury segment, are already equipped with level 2 ADAS, so if you're driving one, you're already ahead in the safety game. Think of level 2 as that reliable friend who won't let you make silly mistakes on the road. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on the lookout for you. Comment below if your car has any ADAS features. We'd love to hear what you find most useful. Part 4. ADAS Features Breakdown. Let's break down some of the coolest ADAS features by level. For instance, at level 2, you'll find Lane Keeping Assist. This feature helps you stay within your lane by gently steering you back if you drift out. Perfect for those long highway drives. Adaptive Cruise Control. This adjusts your speed to keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. Ideal for stop-and-go traffic. Automatic emergency braking. If the car senses a potential collision, it'll apply the brakes automatically to avoid or minimize impact. As we move up to level 3 and beyond, we see more advanced features like Traffic Jam Assist, where the car takes over in slow-moving traffic, keeping you in your lane and handling acceleration and braking. Highway Pilot. For level 4, this allows the car to fully manage highway driving, including lane changes with zero input from you. Part 5. Is a 5-star NCAP rated car safe enough? Here's an interesting question. If a car has a 5-star NCAP rating, is it automatically safe? Well, yes and no. While a high NCAP rating indicates a vehicle's ability to protect occupants in a crash, ADAS features add an extra layer of protection by preventing accidents from happening in the first place. Have you ever had an ADAS feature save you from a close call? Drop your story in the comments. To wrap it all up, ADAS is not just a luxury, it's a lifesaver. From basic driver assistance to nearly full autonomy, The future of driving is safer and smarter than ever before. So, when you're in the market for a new car, consider not just the horsepower, but also the brainpower under the hood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are car enthusiasts. And hey, why not check out our video on the top 5 affordable cars with ADAS in India? Trust me, you'll want to see it.